Hey there, reggae lovers. It is your host, G. Cole, and I'm coming to you with some amazing Reggae Month fun facts. This segment is brought to you by our amazing sponsors, Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and Jamaicans.com. Now let's get into these fun facts. Let's go. So do you know what reggae song is the most sampled reggae song of all time? Well, throughout history, there have been some tracks, some reggae songs that have just left an indelible mark on the entire industry, not just the reggae music industry, but the music industry at large, right? And one such track is a classic song, Bam Bam by Sister Nancy. All right, this track came out actually in 1982, all right, and instantly became an anthem in the dancehall. All right, instantly became an anthem in the dancehall, but its reach far surpassed the shores of Jamaica. All right, it was sampled by Jay-Z, Kanye West, Beyoncé, and a host of others. All right, Sister Nancy, Bam Bam. Now also, she never really got credit, her financial credit for this record. As much as it was being sampled and stuff like that, she was not getting her credit for that. It wasn't until 2014 when it was used in a Reebok commercial that she actually took legal action, right? And actually came out victorious on this one, where she received her royalties for the previous 10 years and received 50% of the rights to the album with Bam Bam. Ladies and gentlemen, again, big ups, Sister Nancy. Again, the influence can be felt across the globe, across the industry, and I promise you this, it will continue to be sampled. Classic record, classic performance. Sister Nancy, Bam Bam. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's mind-blowing reggae facts, courtesy of Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and the Jamaicans.com. Remember also, Reggae Genealogy. The Reggae Genealogy event is just around the corner, February 10th, all right? So make sure you're registered so you can uncover even more fascinating history about Jamaican music. And also visit reggaegenealogy.org to secure your space. Stay tuned for more amazing content. And also, please hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that share, all right? Thank you.